In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek AI to analyze charts and graphs. So let's say I have this chart in image format. I want to analyze it with DeepSeek, so I can just drag and drop it, and you can see it's been uploaded. So I can just go ahead and give it this prompt. Can you analyze this chart and give me three major takeaways from it? I can just go ahead and hit on enter, and you can see here are three major takeaways from this chart. So US stock market performance. You can see sharp COVID crash, tech heavy Nasdaq performed the broader market, and then momentum pack peaked around January 2021. So it's the direct explanation, and you can ask follow-up questions as well. The charts indexing to March 2023, 2021 to March 23, 2021 prices is unusual. Typical indices are indexed to a pre-crash or crash low point. Here numbers show cumulative returns relative to that date, so which is very detailed as regards explanation that it has given us. You can copy this and you can edit also if you're interested. Okay, you can edit the prompt and just go ahead and you can copy, and then you can share as well if you're interested. So go ahead, pick in any image, any charts that you have, and paste it in here for proper analysis. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.